हे फैंटास्टिक्स वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड आज हम लोग बनाने जा रहे हैं एक बेसिक फेविगम स्लाइम एंड लेट मी शो यू गाइस हाउ टू मेक द मोस्ट बेसिक फेविगम slime. And so this is like a beginner level slime recipe, so I really hope it will be super easy so that all of you guys can make it at. So before that, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to give this video a like if you like this video. And yeah guys, now without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. So first, let's take a bowl. So now that we have taken our bowl, so let's add our first ingredient, that is some fevicol. So yeah, we have our fevicol over here. So let's pour some fevicol. So I am making all these basic slimes because I am visiting my village this week. So yeah, I'm making some slime for my cousins because they really enjoy my slime and I just love making slime for them. And मैं इतने दिन के बाद अपने गांव जा रही हूँ, so I really want to make something special for them. So yeah, let's see if they really like it or not, but yeah, let's hope. And now we are going to add some color into our slime, and they really like pink color. So yeah, let me just add some pink color. So I am using this eyeshadow palette for my pigments. Since powder pigment is like really good for slime, so yeah, I'm adding some powder pigment. And I'm going to mix all of these pink shade to make a custom pink color. So yeah, let's add. So yeah, I think we've added enough pink pigment. So yeah, let's mix it with a spoon. Let's mix it with a pretty beautiful spoon. And I've listed all of my slime supplies down in the description box. So if you want to purchase any of these things, all of the links are down in the description. So yeah, now let's mix all of these pretty colors. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, it literally looks so good. I just hope it mixes well with the glue. Yeah, it is a really nice pink shade. We do need to add a little bit of water in this because fevicol is just a bit quick to activate and it can get really rubbery. So I'm going to add a little bit of water, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and make sure to mix it thoroughly. It really looks so pretty, you guys. I'm just going to use a simple BORAX activator to activate our slime today, and you guys can just check out I button if you want to know how to make this BORAX activator. It's like super simple. You just need 1 cup of warm water and just add like 1 teaspoon of BORAX, and it will be like super nice activator, and like it's super cheap as well. I'll give you guys a list of cheap BORAX powder in the description so you guys can check it out. And now let's start the activation process. I'll add it slowly. Make sure you keep on mixing while you're activating. It's crucial. As you guys can see, it is pretty much activated. this point, you just take your slime into your hands and just knead the slime. So yeah, let's just do that. If your clear slime have like too many bubbles, don't worry, just keep it in an airtight container for like 1 to 2 days and it will literally clear up, you guys. You just need to knead it a bit, and I'll just fast forward this process for you guys. So as you guys can see, I have kneaded our slime, and can you guys see that how smooth it has become? Like wow, can you guys see that? The swirl. So as you guys can see, this is how our slime turned out. I've completely nailed it, you guys. Can you guys see how smooth this is? It's literally so smooth, you guys. And can you guys see how shiny it is? Like wow. Now I am going to add some glitter into it because just plain old slime is just a bit boring. So I'm going to add a little bit of black glitter into it because black pink is like the best color combo. So yeah, let's add. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, that looks so pretty. Let's mix our slime together. Can you guys literally see that? So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. So make sure to give this video a like, subscribe and join our fantastic fam. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.